Well, this is really a function of the Senate right now. So we leave it to them. It has moved already from the House. It has now been
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. Anong sabi ng Presidente? Ito ay trabaho ng Senate right now. Kasi as much as possible, ang Presidente po, ang head of the state, ang the head of the triangle, ang lagi nating mini-meet up. Diba? As much as possible po, ang ating head of state, hindi mo makikitaan ng bias dapat. Ganyan po ang ginagawa ni BBM. Kaya ang sinabi niya, hindi ako pabor sa impeachment. Neutrality, balance. Diba? Yun po ang presidente. Kaya ngayon, kita mo ano sabi niya, trabaho na ng Senate. Kung ayaw niya talaga impeachment, sasabihin ni BBM, ano? Dapat talagang basura na ng Senate yan. Ayaw ko yun eh. Pero anong sabi ng presidente? Neutrality lang siya. Neutral siya. Hindi siya pwedeng magsalita ng isang side na bias. O, neutral pa rin siya. Ganun kasi yung presidenteng may utak. 'Di ba? Ganun yon. Sabi niya, trabaho na ng Senado yan. Tama. O, dinudugtungan niya lang yung constitutional duty na dapat gawin. Constitutional duty niya, ano? Ibig sabihin, maging neutral siya on both sides. Kung person niya, ayaw ko ng impeachment. Kasi ayaw niya na magkaroon ng kulay kung magkokomento siya. Kaya neutral lang ang presidente. Ganun yun!
Senate for a few months. We're watching, of course, what the Senate President Jesus is doing to try to make it as a peaceful transition as possible from this Congress to the next.
Ang controversy po ngayon ay kung tatawid daw from 19th to 20th Congress. As a former senator judge, what are your thoughts on that controversy?
What is the controversy? It is very clear that it.
Oh! Panalo na kami, mga DDS! Paano ba yan? Panalo na! Wala na usapan! Oh. Sabi ni BBM, paano hindi tatawid? It will. Sera, sera, whatever it will, it will. The future's not ours to see. Que sera, sera. It will, it will. Diba? Anong sabi ng presidente? It will. Ibig sabihin, tatawid. Kabubuan lang ang nagsasabing hindi tatawid. Pambobo yan. Diba? Alam niyo ba, bibigyan ko kayo ng salitang ano, saan ba nagsimula ang it will? Kasi nga po, may dalawang tao. Patugtungan ko lang. May dalawang tao. Isang galing sa Romblon, isang Manileño. Pumasok sila sa SM. Dalawa silang stockman, tiga-abot ng sapatos. Break nila. Break! Break time! Sabi nung ano? Sabi nung Manileño, pare, ang dami kong baon. Gusto mo? Sabi nung tiga Romblon, wala siyang baon. Mahihain siya. Okay lang ako, pare. First, ano kasi siya, trainee. trainee taga Romblon. Okay lang ako, pre. Huwag mo ko intindihin. Sigurado ka, ang dami kong pagkain. Okay lang. Kaya ko pa yung gutom ko. Basta gawin mo na lang. It will. Yan ha! May bago na naman kayong dagdag kaalaman. Dahil yun sa taga Romblon. Inaalok siya, mayayain siya eh. Tiniis niya yung gutom niya. At nasambit niya lang, okay lang pre, it will. Ayos ba, BBM? Nadiskartehan ko, di ba? Nadiskartehan ko agad. It will. Dagdag yan sa diksyonary nyo. Dagdag kaalaman. Okay? Wala na naman akong boses, bote ka. Play na natin to. 60% na lang yung boses ko. Play na natin.
Because there's no way that even if they start the trial now, that they will finish it before the new senators come in. So, well, again, the senators will decide.
Oh, you see me? You see? The president said that there's no way that they can finish it in the 19th Congress. So it will push through to the 20th. Okay? Because you cannot stop the impeachment when it's convened. You cannot stop it, you know? That's the president wants to tell us. You cannot stop the impeachment when it is convened or started. Because they are the jury. And the jury and the judges. When you are the judges, you must continue every trial. Okay? And even your term is finished, there will be another judges that will replace you. So what's the point of this, mother father? Okay? There's no point in arguing to each other that this 90 to 20 is a big issue for us. It's not an issue. This is an ordinary, like a walk in the park.
Nagsumbong po yung mga kaya ng Bureau of Immigration about certain allegations of corruption against Commissioner Rubio. Has this reached your office and what are your instructions?
Well, first we're looking at it, but you know, this mahirap mapag-aralan ng mabuti kung white paper na hindi pinirmahan at saka walang specifics. But nonetheless, everything like this, we look into it and we will continue to do that. Okay, sige.
Update po ba tayo sa cabinet revamp, sir? Update po sa cabinet revamp kung meron po mga bagong developments.
You know, I have to explain that it's not a cabinet revamp. What we really did was we are still in the process of examining. Now, nasa baba na tayo. What happened really here was that I put everyone on notice that you are basically all on probation. And, okay, this time, it looks like yung iba, maganda naman ang performance. Ngayon, nasa USEC na tayo, nasa mga agencies na tayo. But we are, what essentially, what you refer to as a cabinet revamp, it's not a one-shot, one-time, big-time thing. It is an ongoing thing. This is something, it is essentially putting all government agencies, departments on notice that we have to do better, and we will be looking very, very closely, and we will make that review on a periodic basis, so maybe a quarterly basis. Titignan natin yung mga target ba natin, naabot ba natin on a quarterly basis. And we'll be much more rigorous in looking at the performance, not only at the top level, but all the way. And that's why we'll see, I'm sure you will see more changes in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yan po ang ating Pangulo. Mabuhay ka, BBM! Yan po ang ating magaling na Pangulo, mahusay, masipag, at talagang nagtatrabaho po para sa Pilipino. Anong sabi ng Pangulo? Kailangan pong ituloy ang impeachment kahit pa tumawid. Di ba? Kailangan nating ituloy. Bakit natin kailangan ituloy? Pagkat unang-una, siya ay naging bahagi din ng isang impeachment trial. Mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, mga libag, mga karayuma, tandaan po natin, kapag tayo po ay naghahanap ng sinasabing katotohanan, hindi po kailangan ito ay may hangganan. Dahil mismo po sa ating konstitusyon, sinasabi po sa ating konstitusyon na huwag tayong titigil sa paghahanap, sa paglilitis hanggat hindi natin nakikita ang katotohanan. Diba? Kaya inuutusan po tayo ng konstitusyon, nakalagay nga doon, shall forthwith proceed. Ano pong ibig sabihin nun? Agad-agad magsimula. Bakit agad-agad magsimula? Upang makita natin agad-agad kung may sala ba o wala. Kaya sabi ng Pangulo, itatawid yan. Tatawid. Di ba? Kaya mabuhay ka, Pangulong BBM.